when it comes to fishing, that's no dream. I'm going to make it come true. It will happen. I got invited by the local tour company to do some deep sea fishing. That is really the reason I'm here at the Dubai Harbor. And man, I am excited. I'm looking forward to get some really good catch so we can have dinner tonight together. Barbecue it, right? Oh yeah, so yeah, totally on budget. You know, we got really nice crewmates, and you see all the fishing lines all set up, ready to go. The only person that's waiting is you, so make sure you come and visit us. We can fish together. Seriously, Dubai is as hot as me. No kidding, guys. Wear some sunscreen lotions because you want to grow the fish but not your skin, so be warned. With that being said, let me introduce my amazing crew, the super chill Captain Alisher and the talented skipper Angel. They are both super cool. I got a feeling they are super talented in fishing. Boat just slow down, I think. We are going to get started to really fish, I think. I have a feeling. Alright. Since Dubai is surrounded by Persian Gulf, you can basically fish year-round for barracudas, tilapia, and hamor. For a month between October to May, is the ideal fishing season for king, mackerel, and tuna, while summer months of June to September are suitable for sailfish and queenfish. So seriously guys, you can't screw up the seafood here if you know how to fish. So pay attention, I'm going to get a fishing lesson one-on-one.
I'll be doing trawling. Big fish?
Oh, big fish.
Seagulls. All there.
Oh, okay.
You can see some on there.
So, yes. If there's seagulls, it means there should be a fish down there. Because seagulls will have that fish.
This bigger lure with big lip means for the trolling. For the trolling. This also for the trolling.
Trolling, yes.
This for the casting.
These are for casting.
Also for the trolling.
Oh, okay.
I will show you the next one also.
Trotlining is a line fishing technique. Unlike trolling, which involves slowly pulling one or more bait line through the water, Trotlining's hook is suspended horizontally in the water rather than vertically. This fishing technique is good for fishing across the river. We didn't get the start we wanted, so no fish to grow just yet, but nothing is going to stop us. We are not going to give up, given Dubai's water contains more than 300 species of fish. Many of them are very, very delicious. So let's check out another fishing spot. Okay, so what is this? What's this kind of fish called?
Jigging.
Jigging.
Jigging fishing.
We'll try another form of fishing technique, this time jiggling. It lured by specific movement to mimic an injured bait fish erratic swimming style and is ideally suited for catching large freshwater fish such as bass. A jig consists of a lead singer and hook molded together. And yes, we got a lot of them. Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of myself now. Commonly known as the Japanese thread fin brain, is native to the Pacific and the Indian Ocean. Having invaded the Suez Canal, the species is now abundant in the Mediterranean and has become the important source of food. It is also the main ingredient of the beloved crab sticks. He's the captain right here. You got to do this if you're in Dubai. What's the name of your company again?
Fishing UAE.
Fishing UAE. Get that into your brain when you come to Dubai. Ladies and gentlemen, let's do a quick infomercial to thank my sponsor Fishing UAE for inviting me out to the deep sea fishing. They have multiple boats of all sizes and experienced crew for giving you a tailored fishing experience around United Arab Emirates. Okay, that's enough. Let's get back to fishing. Look like there won't be a shortage of protein tonight. Just after my first catch, I scored another victory. Oh yes.
My
goodness. Hold your
Holy smoke.
Be careful. Teeth, so sharp.
Yeah, there's a fox.
The yellowtail barracuda is one of the smaller species of barracuda, which is native to the Indo-West Pacific Oceans. It has also invaded the Mediterranean through the Suez Canal from the Red Sea, and also has become abundant in the region. They generally lay around 300,000 eggs on the surface of the water, often seen hanging around the reef in the tropical water in search of food such as worms, snails, copepods, shrimps, and small fishes.
Alright.
But given the variety is the spice of life, let's explore another fishing site. This time, will it get closer to Dubai's famous artificial island, Palm Jumeirah?
So what's so special about near Palm Jumeirah? Like,
Rocky area because of Palm, all artificial islands covered by rocks.
Okay, covered by rocks. Alright. So, okay. For this spot, it did took a little bit more time, but good skills takes patience. With a little luck, I managed to score the third catch. Boy, this is a big one.
wow.
The Sobiti sea bream are widely found in the Western Indian Ocean and the Persian Gulf. The adult lives in the shallow coastal water, the similar environment as near the Palm Jumeirah. It is one of the most popular carnivorous fish sold in the market across the globe. It was close to sunset, one of the best time to fish, so wish me luck. The barracuda just, I think, chew the bait actually. It happens. Oh, I can't wait to come. I'm so sad now. I want to come back actually, and you come back with me. Despite trying my best, it was not meant to be, but I did enjoy the spectacular sunset from the Persian Gulf. So let's hit back. I think I already gotten a year worth of vitamin D in one afternoon. By the way, if you wonder how much the cost of a typical trip like this, well, it depends. But usually about 1,000 dirham to 1,500 dirham, or $275 to $400 for 4 hours on a private boat. So bargain and bargain hard. What a day. Amazing. So sad, but bye guys. This way, right?
That way.
Oh, that way. All right. All right. What a day.